All right, YouTubers, it's more cooking time. 2 cups of water. Turn this sucker on. Turn it on high. I'm gonna add this Caribbean rice, or Caribbean, whichever you prefer, and follow the directions. This has been in my cupboard for a while, so I don't want to talk about coronavirus stuff much, but I guess what I'm doing is clearing out the stuff that's been in there for a while. So this is part 1 for a meal. Again, just gonna follow the directions. I'll come back when there's more to share. All right, I normally don't, but I'm gonna throw a little butter in there like it said. And now the beauty of an induction cooktop is that once it's boiled, let me stir it again. Turn it down to low, and with induction you can control heat very, very well. I'm gonna cover it, and it's gonna take it like 25 minutes. We'll be back. So that's done. Again, nothing fancy. I'm gonna get the next part of the meal ready. We're back. Didn't really go anywhere. You've been here waiting. All right, we have the other Beyond Burger. I'm gonna coat it with this Shifties. Again, you can find it on Amazon. It was very, very good. So today we're just pan frying it. My friend did not lie to me that said this was good. All right, so now we let that cook. You saw that I just put it in there plain, nothing with it, and like the Impossible Burger, it fries. There's stuff in it. Oh, we might have got a little scald to it. All right, we're gonna keep cooking it. That is done, but we got more goodness to do. I'm gonna take you in closer even. There's a flyover in the pan. I gotta clean up the pan and do something else. Here we go. So now we're gonna make another cheese hat. For this wonderful burger. Recommend trying a cheese hat. They're great. You'll like them as you watch it bubble and stuff, but they make food fun and they make food better. You can make them crunchy if you want to cook both sides longer, or you can do one side and leave it pretty gooey. Come on, cheese hat. Keep in mind, the more you dress up any burger, the better it's gonna taste. All right. Yay, cheese hat. All right, we're going more fancy this time. So I'm gonna take the cheese hat off and put it on the bottom, on the bun. And now I have an egg. I'll say it again, an egg makes a regular burger great, and it's gonna help this veggie burger too, but Beyond Burger is pretty good stuff. Over easy. All right. I'll put the burger back in to warm it up. Oh, I knew I was gonna crack the yolk. Crack the yolk, because I got impatient. This is gonna be a good burger, isn't it? All right, I'm gonna get the burger. Put it on top of the cheese hat. I guess in this instance, it's a cheese skirt. I think I moved my camera. All right, so that's done. Put on top of the burger. And I will remove the pan and I'll put the rice back on. Just for a minute. It doesn't really need the rooster, but it's gonna get the rooster. There we go. Let me turn that off. Again, this processed rice stuff is not my favorite thing in the world, but again, with Corona, I'm trying to go through some stuff. So let's go eat this, huh? All right, there's the top of the bun. First thing I'm gonna eat is the rice. And that's fine. I mean, it is what it is. It's fine. And now we're gonna try this veggie burger cheese skirt. I guess we'll call it a cheese skirt. Veggie burger and an egg. Here we go. I'm telling you, that's good. I know there's a lot of carnivores, such as myself, who don't believe these veggie burgers are any good, but it works. It really works. Okay, I got a couple more meal ideas. There's enough coronavirus news out there, trying to give you something a little different since I can't really go RVing. But have a great and wonderful day. Stay safe. All right, YouTubers, I'm gonna cook another meal real quick for you. Just trying to put some non-coronavirus stuff out there. And what was kind of cool is somebody noticed one of my magnets. So I moved a bunch of magnets onto the refrigerator. Try to give a little backdrop. So let's get the big old Copper Chef pan out. All right, we're gonna turn this on medium. Start it up. And what we're gonna do today is Morningstar makes some fake pulled pork. I'm gonna give it a shot. Again, this is another thing I've had in the freezer, so I'm trying to eat stuff up, and we'll see how it does. It says dump that all in there. It says to add a couple tablespoons of water. Alright, that's about right. Cover it. I'm going to do more. I'm going to doctor it up a little bit, but we're going to get it started. Let me stir it around first. We'll see. A good reason of why I'm cooking this is I bought hamburger buns and I don't want them to go to waste. Alright, so we're going to let that cook. I'll come back and show you what else I'm going to do. Alright, let's give it another stir. Now, is this going to be as good as real pork? I don't even think you need to ask that. No. But I will say this. It smells like pork. Alright, we'll keep it going. Stirring. Now I have to doctor this up, right? What I have is some Famous Dave's Devil's Spit. I don't know if other people have been to Famous Dave's, but if I gotta go to a barbecue place, even though it's a chain, I'm a big fan of Famous Dave's. And taste it. Oh, that's good. I got a little late heat to it. I don't know if you can see that. Making sure you can see it. I'll mix that in. Needs a little of the rooster. The rooster. Turn it around for the people. And judging from it, I think it needs more Famous Dave's. Now this goes back to anything. If you dress things up and coat them and stuff, you can make most things taste pretty decent. Figured it was time to give it a shot before those buns wasted. I'm gonna turn them down low. Let it simmer and soak in all that goodness for a little bit longer. More things to add. I don't usually do it, but I have people like pickles in there. So of course, I use the trusty Famous Dave's spicy pickles and put those in. I've had pickles on barbecue before. It's not something I normally do, but I figured I'd give it a shot. I'll move it on through. Flavor profile wise, it makes sense. You know, pickles make sense. I'll let it keep cooking a little bit longer. So, it's nice and good. It actually smells pretty good. Again, you cover flavors up with other flavors. We'll see how it does. Now I'm going to do something I never expected to do. I'm going to put this pan on. I'm going to get it hot because I've never done this before, but I've heard people say that cheese works on pulled pork sandwiches. I would never think to do it, but since I have cheddar jack, I'm going to make one cheese hat for it. Here we go. I guess I really got cheese hats on the brain lately. No idea how it's gonna work out. I'll zoom you in now to watch cheese bubble. Nah, never mind. I'm wondering if anybody out there has ever done cheese on pulled pork. Always sounded weird to me when I heard it, but figured I would give this a shot. It's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. All right. turn that off. I'm gonna move all this stuff. I'm gonna make the sandwiches right here. There we go. I gotta point it down a little bit. Now I have to do an edit right there. I also have some apples I'm gonna dice up, but you're not gonna get to see that. All right, there's the cheese. More of the pulled, air quotes, pork. All right, so here we go. The sauces and stuff taste good, but oh, I got a piece of pickle in there. That works. But I gotta be honest, the texture, you know, it's fake meat. This has a texture issue. All right. Yeah, I think the cheese works on it. Okay, YouTubers, there you go. Fake meat pulled pork sandwiches. Full disclosure, some of the fake stuff I like, but not this, not the texture. Southernmost point fell off. I'm gonna have to get some glue on there. Can't have that go away. But I hope you enjoyed. Hope you're staying safe. And there's a video with no real reference to coronavirus. I just hope you stay safe and healthy. We'll all ride this out. And soon, hopefully, these kind of meals will be coming from an RV on a trip. Maybe next to a nice big pretty mountain or a nice big pretty lake. But until then, just stay safe and have a great and wonderful day.